Imagine needing deep financial analysis on a company. That means scouring through dozens of web sources, connecting the dots, and turning it into something your team can actually use. Copilot Cowork was built for exactly this. It begins with a research plan, determining what to investigate and where, grounded in your instructions to focus on facts, not opinions. It doesn't just find information, it pressure tests it, catching gaps before they become problems. Then it synthesizes everything into the financial story that ties it all together. Starting with a consulting quality report, with a detailed company analysis and every source cited. Then it drafts the email to your manager, with every artifact attached and ready to send. And as you drill into the spreadsheet, the full detail is there with the right protections automatically applied. The quarterly revenue trend, segment analysis, balance sheet, and more. This is Copilot Cowork, built for real work.